G'day everyone, Mark here from Marc and Cars. Today, got something a little bit different. I am in sunny Hobart. I've got behind me a 996 GT3RS and we have a bit of a chat to the owner, get a bit of an understanding of the car, and let's see how it goes. This is Andrew, owner of the 996. G'day Andrew, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Good to hear. So, tell us a little bit about your car.
Well, I've owned this wonderful 996 GT3RS since 2008. It's a 2004 model. About 200 of these cars were actually built.
Only 200?
Yes.
Really?
And 120 of them were actually built in right-hand drive. Because of the
only
British,
120?
Yes, the British market was very strong at the time, so they made a lot of right-hand drive cars. Only 12 came to Australia, and this is probably number 13 because this is actually a UK car which I personally imported. I bought it in 2008 when it was 4 years old, and I let somebody else take the big hit in depreciation. So,
well, I think that hit's bounced back, hasn't it?
I think so. It's done very well.
There's not many people own a car like this, Andrew. GT3RS is their only Porsche.
Well, it's I must confess, it's not my only Porsche. It's my only track-focused Porsche.
Sure.
But I do have a couple of others. I have a Boxster, a 981 Boxster S, which is a fabulous car, well-balanced, mid-engine, very easy, much easier to drive actually than this car.
Sure.
And it's a soft top. It takes me back to my kind of teenage years with a little Triumph Spitfire with a rag top.
Yeah, great. And just out of curiosity, how often do you get to drive with the top down, living down here in Hobart?
Oh, every chance I get.
Yeah.
Like today, it's a beautiful day. I should be driving it with the top down.
Yeah, sure.
And I have an 84 Carrera, 911 Carrera, 3.2 litre, which was my that's my keeper.
Sure.
I've had that one since 1994. So that was my first love.
But there are 84, is that 3 litre?
Yeah, 3.2.
3.2, yep, sure. And is it has it got the tail on the back, or is it a traditional look?
It's the traditional classic,
beautiful,
pure 911 shape.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. I get a lot of compliments on the colour. It's a sort of champagne
I know the
gold.
colour. Yeah, beautiful.
And, it's actually called Hyle Bronze or Heavenly Bronze.
Yep, perfect. Okay, fantastic. All right then. Well, I'm sure you'll agree, Andrew's car presented beautifully. If you're interested or in the market, Andrew's actually got the car on the market at the moment. I'll put the link below for you to click on to have a look at. It is an absolute pristine model, so again, if you're thinking about it, this is the car. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're interested, and plenty more videos to come. Thanks for watching, Marc and Cars.